Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how the Linx 8900 series is designed to give you the most reliable, easy to use and efficient printer in today's production environments. The 8900 series is a continuous inkjet printer. It can be positioned on a stand or on a wheeled trolley so that it can be moved to where you need it when you need it in the factory. From the front of the machine you can get easy access to the user interface and also the fluid refill points. And on the side of the machine you've got connections to the printhead, external triggers, alarms and other external devices. The user interface on the printer is designed to be the most easy to use interface, and that means that it delivers fast setup and mistake-free printing. The screen is a 10-inch touchscreen. It's a highly responsive screen, and as you can see it can be used with gloves. It's covered with a protective membrane which is alcohol and solvent proof, so you can use it with gloves, sanitizers and other cleaning materials. That's vital in today's hygiene conscious environment, we know. The home screen gives some key information here, the currently printing message and the fluid levels, and as you can see there are large buttons then on the home screen to give you access to everyday functions. You can customize the home screen so you have the functions that you need and regularly use to hand. And you can immediately edit a message from the home screen simply and easily with prompts, so that you can make simple, mistake-free, instant changes to messages. The user interface also has multiple line settings, so that if you move the printer from line to line, or if you're changing your product setup, there's no need to reset everything up in the printer. You simply change the line settings in the printer, and the printer does everything else for you. All of the messages and the settings in the printer can be saved on a USB stick and taken from the machine and then taken to another printer to copy those settings across. The printhead on the Linx 8900 series is designed to be the most reliable printhead, and that means fewer unscheduled stoppages on the production line and minimised maintenance. The printhead is hermetically sealed and all the critical components are safely moulded into the printhead, so it can withstand knocks with no problem at all on the production line. The unique design of this printhead means that there are no loose wires or exposed tubes or exposed seals to be damaged on the printhead. There are no parts to adjust or align. The printhead doesn't need any adjustment by the user. And the printhead constantly measures temperature, ink pressure and jet speed itself to deliver consistent print quality and print size. The auto flush system in the printhead is unique, and it means that the printhead can run for up to 3 months between cleaning, far longer than other printheads. The cover tube is a simple design with no dirt traps in the cover tube, and the conduit on this printhead is a figure of 8 design, which means that it's very flexible, and the conduit comes in 2, 4 and 6 metre lengths so that it can fit into any production line space. There's also a right angled conduit design to fit into really tight spaces on the production line. The cabinet and the ink system are designed to deliver reliability, ease of use and efficiency. When the printer needs refilling, the screen will tell you through its on-screen indication when the cartridges in the printer need changing, and then you simply access them with the one touch door to access the ink and top-up solvent cartridges. The cartridges themselves are mistake-free and mess-free in design. You can see that the ink and top-up solvent are of different sizes. They also have RFID tags on them, so you simply can't mix them up. And by having them different sizes, it also minimises the interactions you need with the printer and also minimises waste. There is a reserve volume in the printer, so when the cartridges run empty, you can still keep running for up to 12 hours. And when it comes to servicing the printer, well, we've designed the printer to have the lowest service costs. This is the service module. This is what is changed at each service, and it contains a filter and the working volume of ink, which you need to change to keep running reliably. It's a very simple pull-out, push-in process. You can do it with the printer switched on, and the screen will actually interact and step you through the process. It takes just a few minutes of interaction from the user, and then the printer will refill itself, and within half an hour you're up and running again. The service interval on the 8900 series is up to 2 years, so again helping to reduce those running costs of the printer. The cabinet itself is IP55 rated with an IP65 option and is designed to be hygienic with minimal dirt traps. So all of these features help to deliver the most reliable, easy to use and efficient CIJ printer.